I've taken, guys, half kg of pumpkin, deseeded it, washed it. Now I'm going to cut it. Before that, let us slice it. Now peeling it. Now cutting it into cubes. Our pumpkin cubes are ready, guys. Now let's slice some onions. Roughly dice 2 onions. I've got some garlic cloves and I'm going to slice them very thin. Get ready a piece of ginger. Here I've got 2 very important ingredients for this recipe, guys. These are fenugreek seeds. They are also called mithi seeds in Hindi. And these are curry leaves. Curry patta called in Hindi. I'm slicing a chili. You can use chili if you like to. A hot fry pan, add some oil. Not much. All our recipes are healthy, so we don't want to use more oil. Once the oil is hot, add the curry leaves and the fenugreek seeds. Once they stop popping, let's add the chili, onions and garlic. Fry them till translucent. Add the ginger to the onions and garlic. As you can see, our onions have softened a bit and they became translucent. Now let's add our spices. 1 teaspoon, a small teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm using organic turmeric powder. A pinch of asafoetida powder. I'm using natural asafoetida. A small spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, so it's not spicy. One teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder in Hindi. One bigger teaspoon of coriander powder. At this point of time, guys, we are going to add the pumpkin. Not required to fry much the spices, otherwise they will burn. So let us add the pumpkin. It will release juice, so we will cook it on a low flame with the lid on till it softens. But before that, let's add some salt to it. The salt will speed up the process of cooking. Lid on and cook on a very low flame. From time to time you need to mix it, guys. You can see that our pumpkin has softened, but still it's not ready. You can add some water if your pumpkin is too dry. Our pumpkin is almost done, guys. So now I will be adding our last important ingredients for this recipe. If you don't have these ingredients, you may not make this recipe. So that's brown sugar. I'm adding 2 teaspoons and mango powder as per taste. So it is a sour powder, use according to your taste. And I will be adding garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Apart from that, I am using some greenery. Use the greenery you have. I am using coriander and green onions. You can use celery, you can use parsley, you can use basil. Our pumpkin is ready, guys. You can see it's not overcooked. If you overcook it, it will get totally smashed. So it has a tint of sourness, sweetness, and lots of spices to make it delicious. So let's serve it, guys.